Today we're going to be doing dynamic division on the stamp game, and that is the title in your math book. You will need your stamp game, and you'll need your math book, a pencil, and something that you can use for Skittles. I'm using green tacks, but you can use beads, you can use erasers, you can use pencils, you can use sequins, anything that you can find around your house. First thing you need to do is write down your equation. You will have some equations that you will be able to print off from the website. You're going to put number 1, and you're going to count over 1, 2, 3, and 1 down. And in that spot, you're going to put your dividend. And in this case, my dividend is 1,564. And then I'm doing my backwards C and my line over top of the full dividend, and we are going to have a divisor of 4. And that's what our equation looks like. I've already taken our dividend out of the stamp game, 1,564. Our divisor is 4, so I'm going to take out 4 of my Skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to make sure that we start with our highest hierarchy. In this case, it's thousands. And so I take my 1,000 and I start to distribute it evenly with my Skittles. But oh my goodness, I've only got 1 and these ones have nothing. So I can't do this. So I have to take my 1,000 and I have to exchange it for 10 hundredths. So I'm going to put my 1,000 up here, and I reach into my hundredths, and I put out 10 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I can put my 1,000 back in. Now I'm going to take my hundreds and I'm going to evenly distribute them. I give 1 to each one, and I just keep on going. And I keep on going. But look here, I've got trouble because these 3 have 100 here, but I don't have 1 to put in here. So that means I have to exchange all 3 of these. So I put 100 back up and I take out 10 tenths. 1, 2, I'm going to keep them in piles because I'm going to have too many out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to keep it in a pile. And I put that one back in. And then I have to exchange this one. And I take out some from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I need 1 more for 10. And I'm going to keep that one in a pile. And then I put that back in, and 1 more. Put this out, grab some from and I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll keep that in a pile, and I can put this one back in. Now I start to distribute my tens. Notice I kept them in nice rows so I can keep my organized. I've finished my tens now. Now I'm going to do my units. And I've evenly distributed all of my dividend amongst my divisor. And now I look down the last skittle and I find out what our quotient is. And we have 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 91. And so now I'm going to write it in on top of my equation. 391. And you notice that when I write it on on the top, I don't have anything in the thousands. This is the thousands, this is the hundreds, this is the 10, and this is the units. And I have nothing in the thousands. I could put a 0 there. And I start in my hundreds. And that's how you do dynamic division with the stamp game. Hope you have fun.